Hi boys and girls, it's your iLab specialists. Today we're going to do a tutorial on how to make paper dolls. First, you are going to pick a piece of paper you want to use for the skirt. If you only have a rectangular piece of paper like I did, you want to first make it into a perfect square. So take the corner and fold it over. You want those two edges to line up, then you'll take a pencil and draw a line. Then take a pair of scissors and cut that line out. Now you have a perfect square. To assemble your skirt, you're first going to take your opposite corners and fold them together. Then take your next farthest apart corners and fold those. And then finally, one more time, fold those corners together. If you want to alter the bottom shape of the skirt like I did here, you can take a pair of scissors and cut that. Then you want to cut off the top corner. This will help you later on when it comes time to put your body into your skirt. Now comes the tricky part. We want our folds to alternate outwards and inwards. So you can watch here as I try to make that happen. We want this so that our skirt can stand up all by itself in the end. If you want to add more design to your skirt, you can do that by folding the edges together. One side will have one fold and the other side will have 4 folds. You want to cut into the side that has the 4 folds. You can do any design you would like, but make sure you leave a little room in between each cut, because if you cut along the entire edge, your skirt will fall apart. Once you unfold the skirt, you can see your design come to life. Next, you want to get a piece of paper for your top that is about the width of the top of your skirt. In order to make the sleeves, you're going to take a pencil and draw a line down the length that you want your sleeves to be. Then cut it using a pair of scissors and fold back your sleeves on an angle. Then fold your paper up behind the sleeves. We want to leave a little extra paper in order to glue our head down. Then find a piece of paper you want to use for your head. I chose to find something round around my house so my head would be perfectly circular. Once I traced it, I took a pair of scissors and cut it out. Now it's hair time. I found it useful to use the shape of my head against my hair so that I could tell how exactly it would look once my head was in. Then I put my head to the side and took a pair of scissors and cut out the shape of my hair. Now it's time to put my doll together. I used glue to glue my head down to my hair, and since I chose to incorporate bangs, I put some glue on my bangs and put them on top of my hair. I used this time to alter the shape of my hair a little bit with my scissors. Before the glue dries, take your body and insert it under your head. Make sure to push down to make sure it dries. I also wanted to add a little bit of glue into the body. Then you can take your actual body and put glue on both sides and stick it down into your skirt. It really helps to hold firmly for about a minute until it dries. Finally, you can add decorations. I wanted to add a little face decoration here. If you want to extend your project, you can do things like adding a decoration to your skirt, adding hands, and other accessories. Be sure to send pictures of your final products to your teachers. Enjoy!